It was great. It took me back to my memories. A lot of hard work, effort, and creativity.
Yeah, I think everyone has done a good job in presenting their collection.
And it's a pleasure to be back year after year and see the big bundle of talent coming out.
Neetaji, superb job, outstanding. Especially the last वाला हमको तो वो draping बहुत पसंद आया है बनारस का.
Hamstech has done a phenomenal job by giving them this exposure. I think it was amazing.
All the collections, each one of them have hand painted, dyed, printed, everything on their own. I think they deserve a lot of love.
The collections that I've seen today are absolutely stunning and amazing. Every collection is something that each one of us can wear and usable collections. We've truly enjoyed the show completely.